Good afternoon, morning, evening, or after morning. I'm the Mainly Digger, and I am back at the same place I was last weekend. Hello, I'm interrupting myself because I want to talk about Google Earth. They have really upped their game somewhat. I've always loved Google Earth. It's fun to use, especially for metal detecting, hunting, or any other purpose, really, that you could find outdoor activity. What I want to talk about is an added feature. They have leveled up, which is awesome. The added feature is they have put a history imagery feature in it. As best, I don't know what else to call it, but I'll show you 3 photos from Google Earth, 3 images, aerial images of the spot I've been detecting, and it's throughout time. It doesn't go, unfortunately, it doesn't go that far back. Not like historic aerial views, but it does go back to the 90s, and it kind of proves me wrong on some of the stuff that I said. It fact checks me. I've always said the place was torn down in the 90s. It wasn't. It was torn down in the later a couple of years ago, mid 2000s. And I think the photos are one's from 1997. The next is like from 2016. And the last one is like 2023. But it is cool. It's just a cool another tool to use for outdoor adventures, particularly metal detecting. And it's free. Love that. It is free. Mainly dig out. The snow. Actually, the ground isn't frozen, and there's still snow on the ground. Pros and cons. Welcome to Maine, where Mother Nature needs to go to rehab, or she's in a bad mood. I don't know. She's bipolar. I know that. I just noticed I don't have an LL Bean hat on. Normally I would. This is my Carhartt or Carhartt. But I do have an LL Bean jacket, and the hoodie is LL Bean as well. It's the main thing. I mean, I have LL Bean gear for all seasons and months and temperatures and mid seasons of Maine. Mainly to go out. So I am back on this wintry, frosty, not really frosty, it's snowy, Saturday in Maine, right across from Thomas College, at the college-owned property, where there used to be a dairy farm, or farm. I just dug this hole. This is the first hole of the day, and I've so far collected 3 things, and there's more in that hole. So I decided to show off the 3 things that I found, and then go find more stuff in that one hole. Good times. The same place I found the axe head, same general area. The reason why I'm doing this is during the summer and spring, which it should be spring right now, but it's not, or like right at the end of spring, this is all overgrown. So the snow is keeping stuff down, making my laziness a possibility. Good times. So I dug a hole, or got a signal, dug a hole pretty much right next to that gigantic hole I just dug. And I don't know, I've been working, I've been putting in some work. So I found these 3 guys, kind of in the same hole, but not in the same hole. I had to dig like 2 or 3 separate holes, connecting holes. I haven't, and like, I don't know, 45 minutes to the hour that I've been here. I haven't moved from this area right here. But good times. No idea what it is. It's muddy is what it is, but it looks like it was something. Very cool. Same hole. Filled in the hole. There's still, like, there's stuff around the hole. So I'm gonna go check that out. Yes, sir. That looks so promising. Cause it was like this, and then I picked it up, turned it over, and I was like, oh man. Anyway, still cool. Oh, found another bolt. So just a reminder, this whole area is a barn. Access point. Maybe you can see the homeless person's tent. I don't think that they're there anymore. I don't know. Access point and then barn. So the end of the adventure has arrived. I'm cold, wet and dirty, muddy, just how it's supposed to be, except there's snow on the ground. So I'm good, and I'm gonna go home, have some lunch, and try to clean these up a little bit maybe. So I found a couple of bolts. The stuff in my pocket I'm taking home. I'm just not gonna take out right now because they're muddy. But yeah, so bolts, lots of bolts this adventure. This guy, I don't know what, I'm definitely gonna go home and clean this off. I don't know what it is, I'm gonna find out. And then this guy, which I have to re-clean off. It still has snow on it. But yeah, that is pretty cool. I don't know what it is. It's covered in snow and dirt right now, so it's kind of hard to see. I had it kind of cleaned off before, but whatever. It is what it is. This place is magical. I didn't find an axe head this time, but also I gotta clean that off too. I said I would and I didn't. But anyway, snow, welcome to Maine.